Inside each of us, there is a vertical axis of strength, the spine. It connects the head and pelvis, sky and earth, movement and stillness. It's more than just anatomy. It's a sense of inner alignment, the foundation upon which everything rests. Today's practice helps you reconnect with this axis, to awaken your inner support, even when the outside world feels unstable. Sit or stand comfortably. Take a moment to tune in. Feel how your body meets the ground. Now imagine your spine as a living string, soft, responsive, and alive. As you inhale, feel it gently lengthen upward, as if a thread is pulling your crown toward the sky. As you exhale, allow your body to softly wrap around this axis. Release your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Breathe slowly. Trace the line of your spine with your attention, from the tailbone to the top of your head. Sense your breath moving along it, like a river flowing up and down within you. Now imagine each vertebra as a point of light. They link together, forming a strong yet flexible column. You begin to align. You return to center. Allow small movements if they arise. Swaying, shifting. Sometimes the axis awakens through subtle motion. When you bring awareness to your spine, it becomes more than a structure. It becomes your internal compass. This vertical awareness activates your nervous system, restores balance, and gathers your focus. You feel more grounded, more whole, more at peace. Stay with this sensation a little longer. Let it gently expand within you. May it support you throughout the day. And if something shifted for you, feel free to share it in the comments. If you want to keep going, subscribe. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.